How's it going, YouTube friends? This is Midlife Moto Crisis. We make motorcycle related content along with our dog, Ryder, the motorcycle dog, on our 2007 Harley Ultra Classic. Let us take you on our riding adventures like moto camping, motorcycle road trips, and finding those must-ride roads. So kickstands up, and I'll see you down the road. Don't forget, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and turn on notifications. We would be oh so thankful. On last week's adventure, we go primitive moto camping on land that's for sale. We set up camp, cook a meal, gather firewood, and build a fire. On today's adventure, Ryder gets a windshield and we visit one of our favorite biker-friendly restaurants on the St. Johns River, the Lone Cabbage.
Hey YouTube, we are about to hit the road because we are going to check out the Lone Cabbage. It's a place that runs on the St. Johns River. It's all by itself. Nice little halfway stop between here and Cocoa Beach. Very biker-friendly establishment right on the swamp, on the river. You see gators, all kinds of stuff. But I wanted to show you something new that I did here for Ryder. I had an old windshield, so I kind of hooked it around here and bungeed it, and it's going to stay right in there perfectly. It's not moving anywhere. I think it's going to give him some comfort, block a little wind for him, and that way he can, it could be a little more quieter for him, and he doesn't have to wear those goggles. I'm going to give it a try. Of course, I'm going to hook up the 360 there, see what kind of views we get, see how Ryder enjoys it. Let's get down the road. All right, guys. Let's get down the road. The Lone Cabbage is where we're going. I'll tell you what, if you're ever on 520 heading to Cocoa or going to Orlando from Cocoa, head to a place called the Lone Cabbage and definitely give the house fish sandwich a try. I don't know what it is, it's the batter they use, but it's freaking amazing. Without further ado, Miss Moto Crisis needs to get on the bike so we can get down the road. I gotta stop and get some fuel here first, some gas, so let's get over to the 7-Eleven down the road here and get some gas. I hope Ryder's liking his new little thing, so here we are, 7-Eleven. Let's get some fuel. So what are we pumping in here? Dropped me to $3.97 with the 3 cents off for gas here. And I'm not going to put too much in it. I've been wanting to change out the IAC valve. I don't want to have a ton of gas in there when I do it.
Come on, Ryder. Let's go pick up Miss Moto Crisis at the dollar store.
Would you come running if I called you and give me a helping hand? Would you come catch me if I fell down towards a bitter end? You wanna talk about it, you couldn't live without me. You know
every once in a while, Ryder's fans passing by, taking pictures and waving at him.
so just go on, I don't wanna care anymore. There's no more between you and me, so just go. There's nothing left of us.
Alright, we on the road, my YouTube friends. I'm sitting here checking out Ryder's little thing back there, and it looks pretty good here, at least on the videos.
I wouldn't hold you against it if you were to leave my side. I wouldn't cry if you left me, but I would feel betrayed. You wanna talk
There it is. The Lone Cabbage. Looks like we got a few bikes there.
So just go on. So just go on and leave. So just go on.
So Ryder wanted to go for a walk. He had a blast looking for sticks and smelling around to see what was about. After Ryder played for a little bit, it was time to go back to the restaurant and grab a bite to eat. Wait, I smell something. Alright, what's up my friends? We are here at the Lone Cabbage with Ryder the motorcycle dog and Miss Moto Crisis sitting right here on the river. It's beautiful. Y'all check out that view right there. Then Ryder met a friend. His name was Rocky. What's up my YouTube friends? Check out this sunset right here on the St. Johns River. How beautiful is that? You got the bridge right there, that's US 520. And couldn't have been more beautiful right now. So anyway, the Lone Cabbage, it's amazing. The food's great, the vibe's great. If you're ever out here, come and check it out. Anyway, till the next one, man. I'll see you guys down the road. And remember, get out and go ride. Check out this video where we head to the Osteen Diner, see some zebu cattle, and have a delicious breakfast. Till next time, I'll see you down the road.